Welcome to Zubi's Organic Kitchen, where I bring you healthy recipes, tips, and the inspiration we all need to take charge of our health. Today, I'm going to bring you a quick video to show you how I make my Moringa and Aloe Vera weight loss drink. Stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button for me. Let's do it. So this drink consists of just 3 ingredients: my aloe vera, my moringa. If you don't know anything about moringa, go to my website, www.zubisorganickitchen.com. I wrote a whole blog about it, okay? It's a very healthy leaf. And of course, my favorite drink, apple cider vinegar. And then, of course, water. Hi guys. So to be honest with you, I only make this juice when I'm trying to shed off some pounds. But I'm completely happy with where my weight is. But I know that a lot of you are trying to be bikini ready. So I figured, why not bring it to you. So I'm going to start by, I have my aloe vera gel in here. I'm going to put in some water and start blending that first before I put the rest of my ingredients in. So I have my aloe vera here. Now I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of my moringa. This is a very powerful drink. Moringa helps you with a lot of things, but I'm not going to say anything. Go ahead. This is about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to put the rest of my water in there. Okay, so there you have it. That's my moringa, aloe vera, and apple cider. I like the tanginess of apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to add a little bit more, but you don't have to. There you have it. You want to shed off a few pounds? This is it. Okay? You have a great day and stay